Wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make green plantain porridge. First and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah? We're going to jump into the intro, then we're going to kick it off.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So these are the ingredients I'm using for the porridge. Here I have like 3 bay leaves, I have 2 pieces of cinnamon stick, I have 3 fingers of green plantain, I have a coconut. You could use the coconut milk from the can. If you cannot get this coconut, the fresh coconut, I'm going to use some nutmeg powder, some cinnamon powder. Here I have some vanilla, Benjamin vanilla. I have some brown sugar, and I have sweet condensed milk. So now I'm going to break the coconut. Yeah, well, coconut nice, my people. So now I'm going to cut up the coconut them. And you don't have to cut them now in a specific way because you just want to cut them, that's the blend that could blend them. So nothing too crazy. You just cut them. Yes. Okay, so now I have a cup and a half of water in the blender. I'm gonna go add the coconut. Now I'm going to blend. That is it, my people. Now I'm gonna strain it off. Alright, strain off this. Now we're gonna squeeze out the juice, my people. Okay, my people, this is the milk I get from the coconut. Okay, my people, in my pot here, so I have 1 cup of water boiling. I'm gonna drop the bay leaf and the cinnamon stick, okay? Now I'm gonna pour the coconut milk I just blend in here. Just like that. I have some remaining in the bowl. I'm gonna use this one to blend the plantains. Now I'm going to peel the plantains on. Just like this. Just use your finger and peel off the skin. Okay, my people. Just like that. Okay, my people, I finished to peel the plantains. Now I'm going to cut them up. Them are easy to blend, so you don't have to cut them too small. Alright, just like that, my people. The rest of coconut milk I have leave back, so I'm going to use it to blend the plantains now. So pour it in the blender. Just like that. I'm going to add the plantains on. But I'm now going to pour all of the plantain in at one time, my people, okay? Go add them liquor by liquor to the blender. So now I'm going to blend. Now I'm going to add them liquor by liquor, okay? Okay, my people, that is it. See? Not too watery. This is how it's supposed to be thick, okay? Because you don't want your porridge too watery. Now I'm going to add the blend plantain to the pot. Just like that. Alright. You see, I wanna make sure you whisk it in, okay? You're gonna whisk it till it come thick. See? See, it's come thick already, you see? If you add too much water in your porridge or too much coconut milk, it's gonna be watery. Okay? Okay, my people. So now I'm gonna leave it, make it come to a boil. Soon as it come to a boil, I'm gonna sweeten it and allow it to simmer down and lower heat, okay? Remember, this is plantain porridge. It don't take a long time to cook. Okay, my people, now I'm going to spice up the porridge. I'm going to add some nutmeg powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and whisk it in. Just like that. Just a pinch of cinnamon powder, because remember we have cinnamon stick in there already, okay? Pinch of cinnamon powder. Like that. 1 tablespoon of Benjamin vanilla extract. Okay, my people, I'm going to add half of cup of brown sugar, half measuring cup of brown sugar. I know a lot of people not gonna like this one, but guess what happened? Half a cup of sweet condensed milk. No no go tell me, oh, why you use brown sugar and condensed milk? This is my preference, okay? Look at this. Okay, my people, I'm gonna leave this and lower heat for like 10 minutes before I turn off the stove. Okay, my people, this is it. See how thick this is? No long water porridge around here, okay? Alright, boat land. I'm gonna turn it off. Make sure I make me a bowl right now. Look at this, my people. Okay, my people, this is it. I'm gonna have mine with some water crackers. So yeah, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you. Peace out.